All right. So there's a famous inspirational quote that says, "Fit is not a destination, it's a way of life." And what this means is that working out is so much more than just that physical, body that you're trying to get to. It has a lot more to do with maintaining like a strong mentality, and people that work out consistently throughout their whole lives are able to avoid bad health conditions. So after doing some activities in the class earlier in the semester, just getting to know each other and things, I learned that a lot of you are aspiring physical therapists and personal trainers and things like that. So hopefully this speech will help you learn a little bit more about a topic that is of interest to you. So personally, my whole family is in the medical field. My dad is a physician, my mom's a registered dietitian, and my sister is going to school for physical therapy. So we've always been a really active family who is really focused on our health, and we are pretty educated on what is good and bad for your body. So exercising and staying physically active has many positive impacts on your body and just your life overall. So the three main benefits I'm going to talk about today are how it reduces many health risks, how it aids in desired weight loss, and how it improves a person's mood and level of happiness. So I'll start by telling you about arguably the most important perk of working out. So according to the American Cancer Society, physically active people are less likely to develop chronic disease and disabilities. Exercise has a positive effect on many conditions including cancer, heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure. So endometrial cancer is a type that it starts forming in the lining of the womb. So for women who exercise, they are able to lower their risk of developing this cancer if they work out and exercise 150 minutes per week or more, obviously. And then on the other side, prostate cancer occurs whenever the male sex gland grows uncontrollably and forms tumors. And it is proven that men who are active at work are more likely to avoid prostate cancer than those that are just sitting at a desk all day. And then obesity is a major cause of type 2 diabetes, and this is because in overweight people, their cells become resistant to insulin, and insulin the body needs to produce energy. So in order to prevent these dangerous levels of obesity, people must be physically active just throughout their entire lives. And besides just being dangerous to a person's health, obesity is obviously just an unwanted characteristic and unappealing. So according to surveys taken by registered dietitian Justin McCarthy, an average of about 50% of Americans claim they want to lose weight. So this brings me to my second point, that weight loss is achieved by burning fat through exercise. So as I'm sure many of you know, cardiovascular exercise is activity that raises a person's heart rate, which burns calories and in turn shreds fat. And obviously this is the way that most people take action if they want to start losing weight. You do cardiovascular activity. But strength training will also help with weight loss because it increases a person's calorie burning metabolism. So by replacing that fat with muscle, your body's able to burn calories more faster. So also when people are becoming more physically fit after losing weight, they're able to fit into clothes better, they're able to maintain a positive energy throughout their lives, and just also act with more confidence and self-esteem. But even if a person is not struggling from obesity, physical activity still has a positive impact on mood improvement and just for all people, not just people that are obese. So that takes me to my third point, which is that the last benefit of exercise is that it boosts a person's mood and chronic state of mind. So James Blumenthal, a psychologist at Duke University, says that the link between exercise and mood is pretty strong. After just 5 minutes of exercise, most people already recognize a mood enhancement effect. He also says that research studies prove that exercise acts as an antidepressant, so over time that helps reduce the chronic symptoms of depression. And as Kelly was saying earlier, one of the main reasons for these positive feelings is because exercising releases a chemical in your body called endorphins, and endorphins reduces a person's perception of pain, and it triggers a happy feeling similar to moving. So in conclusion, being physically active has many great benefits on your body and your mind. It reduces the risk of bad health conditions, it helps a person lose weight, and it improves just the way a person feels and thinks. So now that you are all informed on how exercising keeps you healthy, hopefully nobody's going to be skipping leg day. So lastly, I want you to just take this information and share it with your loved ones, because if that Happiness Is documentary taught us anything, it's that people are positively stimulated and driven by sharing love and care for one another. So by you just sharing this knowledge with somebody, you could help improve their health and their well-being for the rest of their lives. So last thing I'll leave you with is a Science Daily report says, apart from not smoking, being physically active is the most powerful lifestyle choice any individual can make to improve their health.